Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Juliet from Arab Kitchen. For today's video, I want to make pancake with fish sauce. So I have these all ingredients, guys. I have this baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, vegetable. You can use vegetable oil or butter if you want. I have salt, also 2 eggs, 2 cups of water, and 2 cups of flour. So for toppings, we have this fish sauce and sesame seeds. So guys, first we have to sift the flour. And then put a wheel on the middle. Then we have to put there inside the egg, the 2 eggs, our sugar, oil, the baking powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and also salt. So I put salt. Don't put too much salt, it becomes salty. Then the water. So this is not enough. And another 1 cup of water. So just blend it all together. So if you blend it in one direction, so your pancake the result will be very good. So I put add more little bit water, guys, because too much sticky. So this is now our batter for pancake, already smooth. Then now we have to make in a non-stick pan. I will put little bit oil, to not become sticky for the first time. So the second time we will not put in more. It's a little bit only, guys. And then we have to put the butter. So I put 1 like this for our butter. We have to spread. Don't make very thick. So we have to make only thin, so it become little crispy. Then I put this sesame seeds first, and then our fish sauce, this one. So we have to spread the fish sauce little bit only. Put some little drop on all the sides. and all the space. And that's it. Then guys, we have to flip in another side, so it will become cooked here on this side. So we have to wait only until brown, guys. Then your pancake is ready. A little bit more. So now this is ready, guys. We have to put here, and then another one again. So this time I will not put oil because I have already oil in the butter.